Hello friends, how you can use Mr. Bean common language to communicate with the world. You know that world is a global village. Everybody is willing to communicate throughout the world. For that, international language is the English language. People are curious to learn this language and they are giving their extra time to improve themselves in this language. But some are able to communicate through this language. Some face different kind of problems, such as some are not able to understand the accent of British community. Some are not able to understand the accent of American people, and some people use very simple accent. So they face the problem even if they know the English language. For example, my accent is different. Some people are able to understand whatever I am saying. But perhaps in the world, there may be some people, those are not able to understand whatever I am saying. If everything which I am speaking is said in their own accent, then they will be able to understand. But because I am speaking my own accent, because whatever national language we speak, our accent is according to that national language. So this is the problem a lot of people are facing. And English is international language, everybody is thinking. But beside English language, there is an extra international language that is very much easy to understand and everybody on this planet can understand. Mr. Bean used this language to communicate with the world, to make the world laugh. Because I appreciate his efforts, because he thought wonderful idea that if he would use English language, then his audiences will be of those people who know the English language, but especially with his accent. But the people, those don't know his language, are not familiar with his accent, they are not able to understand his comic gestures, comic activities. So he used the extra international language. That is the language of gestures. That is the language of body language, you can say, face expression. And Mr. Bean is a fictional character, British fictional character, and created and portrayed by Rowan Atkinson. And he is familiar in the whole world because of his extra international language. If he did not use this language, he would not be as familiar as in present era he is. So, if you don't know the English language, or if you don't have the ability to understand or to improve yourself in English language, you can get benefit of this extra international language. You can use body language, gesture language, because you are seeing some skits of Mr. Bean and you are enjoying, you are understanding, no need of learning any other language, but this is the extra international language. Automatically you can understand, because this language is with expressions, with body gestures. So if you are not able to improve yourself in English language, use this extra international language. However, English is very important for verbal communication. Hope you found this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, before leaving, do subscribe so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel.